Want to backup, manage, share your file all in one place? Let me show you how to use Dropbox the easy way, even if you are brand new. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to sign up and use Dropbox. So first, go to dropbox.com. So all you have to do is head over to your browser and type in the dropbox.com, or you can just go to Google and search Dropbox and click the first result. So once you're on their homepage, all you have to do is click sign up. Now Dropbox offers paid plan too, but the free plan is very perfect to start. No credit card need. So now you can sign up using your email or simply using your Google account. Now I'm going to use my Google account. And now all I'm going to is continue. And now select agree and sign up. Then Dropbox is going to welcome you and you can choose how to use this Dropbox. So I'm going to select personal. Now if you want, you can install their desktop app or you can also install a mobile app. I'm going to skip this step. Now here are all the plans that they offer. Now I'm going to continue with the 2 GB basic plan, which was in the last sections. And now you are inside your Dropbox dashboard. If this is your first time, then it will be pretty much empty. And on the left hand side, you will see all files, photos, share, file request, and delete file as well. All you have to do is upload your file or folder. Let's say I want to back up some file. So all I'm going to do is select this upload button at the top right. And you can choose file, folder, and also you can import from your Google Drive as well. So for example, I'm going to upload some random file. And here I have selected some of my video. And after selecting the video, all we have to do is select open. And now what will happen is Dropbox will start uploading them for you, and it will show it right here, and you will see their like update status. And once all your file is done uploading, your file will appear under this all file sections. But the pro tip is don't edit or share while your file are still uploading. Wait until it's complete. I have canceled those videos because its file size was quite big or large. So for this video, I have just uploaded this sample video. And if you want to share this with your people, your friends, you can also do that. So all you have to do is select the file and there is a share option. Select that. And you can copy the link, or if you want, you can add people on that, or you can transfer a copy of your file as well. Now you choose what do you want. Do you want to add them or just you want them to view the folder? It's all up to you. So you can select the settings and there are options of how you want your people access this file or folder. So when you're ready, you can now just share this link to the people you want. Now, if you select your profile icon, you can see your account has 2 GB upgrade. So with a free plan, you only get 2 GB. Not a lot compared to your Google Drive, which also give you like 15 GB. It's a lot, but it's worked well for light storage and backup. And Dropbox also has the desktop app that can let you drop and drag your files in your sync folder. And now you know how to sign up your Dropbox. You can upload your file, you can share your files with others, and you can also monitor your space as well. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tutorials. I hope this video helped you, and see you in the next video.